Think you can't build a two-bedroom house for under $30,000? Think again. It may sound like a far-fetched idea to some, but with a little ingenuity and elbow grease, it's more than possible. Now let's put this into perspective. The average cost of buying a similar two-bedroom house in the United States is somewhere around $200,000. That's nearly 7 times the cost of building your own. It's a staggering difference, isn't it? Building your own house not only saves you a significant chunk of change, but also gives you the freedom to customize your living space according to your needs and preferences. It opens up a world of possibilities that buying a pre-built house simply does not offer. So, how do you build a two-bedroom house for under $30,000? It starts with a solid plan. You'll need to factor in the cost of raw materials, labor, and unexpected expenses that may arise during the construction process. One way to cut down costs is to do as much of the work yourself as you can. This includes tasks like painting, flooring, and installing fixtures. If you're handy with tools and don't mind getting your hands dirty, you can save a substantial amount on labor costs. Another important factor is the materials you choose. Opting for cost-effective materials doesn't necessarily mean compromising on quality. There are plenty of affordable options out there that are durable, aesthetically pleasing, and easy to work with. Now let's talk about the design of the house. A simple minimalist design can help keep costs down. Avoid unnecessary complexity in the layout and focus on functionality. With a little creativity, you can make even the simplest design look stylish and modern. In conclusion, building a two-bedroom house for under $30,000 is not only feasible but also a smart financial decision. It requires careful planning, a bit of sweat equity, and a willingness to think outside the box. But the end result is a custom-built home that you can truly call your own, and the satisfaction of knowing you did it yourself. Plus, you'll have a hefty amount left in your bank account. So the next time someone tells you it's impossible to build a house on a shoestring budget, remember this: where there's a will, there's a way. And with the right approach, that way can lead to a cozy, comfortable home that won't break the bank.